Sinong guest natin ngayon?
Wala!
Anong wala? Sino yan?
Wala!
Pwede lumapit ka, lapit.
Akin si
Sige na, Quentin.
Ayago!
And then, asan si Ninang doon? Yes! Saan si Ninang? Yes! Oh my God! Ang galing niya!
Ay, nako ko.
Oh my God! Oh! But he's in heaven.
Oh,
Director Tony Matos.
ikaw.
I'm still here. Thank God. Sobrang pogi.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Ano?
Pakis. Pakis.
Bawal!
Hello everyone! Say mo.
Hello, boys!
Oh!
Okay. Sinong guest natin ngayon?
Wala!
Anong wala? Sino yan?
Wala!
Sino sa katabi mo? Si Nina?
Okay.
Yay! Hello, Quentin!
Hello!
First interview to Quentin. As in first. Na siya
Really?
na mag-isa.
Sige.
Usually kasama
Kahit anong tanong?
Wala nga eh.
Kahit ano. Anong favorite kong color?
Blue.
Yes!
Mahuhula naman pala ito eh. Pwede lumapit ka, lapit.
Akin si
Sige na, Quentin.
Ayago!
Quentin, ask the question. Where?
In school.
Where did I go to school? Elementary, Stella Maris College. Yes. And then college, I went to two schools. Polytechnic University of the Philippines and University of the Philippines, where me and your mom met and we became friends.
What are these pictures?
Mo.
Here. See? So gusto niyang malaman paano itong mga picture na to. Ano ba itong picture na to? Kabataan. Look, where's your mom? Saan mom mo?
Ito pa, mama.
Asan?
Quentin, lapit ka.
Ako na lang lalapit. Saan mom mo dyan?
Ito.
Ito.
Yan! Ang galing! Naturo ka niya! Oh. And then, asan si Ninang doon? Yes! Saan si Ninang? Yes! Oh my God! Ang galing niya!
Ay, nako ko.
Sabi na.
Ay, naku po!
Ano play yan?
Bilang nandito si
Oh, di.
Carlo Cano.
Oo.
So baka, ang isi ng hair mo eh. Dapat ikaw makaalam. Pwedeng ano to, the women. Oo, pwedeng the women.
Ito. Yan.
The women!
Yung, wag mong ikainin.
Saan si mom mo? Yes, saan si Ninang?
Hindi tulog ko lang.
Ang galing!
Ayan. Ano
Ah.
play yan?
Pwedeng gudo.
No.
Ay, gudo to, Candy, kasi
Mama,
si Frances, si Dali, ikaw, tsaka ako.
Friends.
Friends, super friends.
This one.
Oh my God! Oh!
Yung muna, Nina ko get that one.
Wait, patingin.
Get.
Okay. Ano to? Bakit nakakatakot si Tita Franz dyan?
Ano play? What play?
Magkasama tayo sa play? Or nanood lang ako?
Parang nanood na lang ako eh.
Thank you. Bilang ganito yung makeup ni Tita Franz, pwedeng directed by Anton Juan to eh. Nanood lang tayong dalawa.
Sa picture kayo.
So, pwedeng blood wedding.
Okay.
Pero at least na, ano niya, no, nare-recognize na tayo.
Oo.
Kahit parang kabataan natin ang sobrang...
Quentin, ask the
Oh,
question.
next question.
Question.
Wala, orange.
Quentin, ayaw mo na? Quentin, ayaw mo na? Quentin, uwi na si Nina, okay?
Finish na?
Finish
Hindi
na?
pa.
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Okay, akin
Where's
na.
your first memories?
Ang galing! Marunong siya magbasa ng bongga.
Yes.
Galing.
Bigyan ka.
Mama, TV.
Okay po, thank you po very much. Okay.
I'm so impressed.
Ano?
Sa'yo.
What do you say? Thank you.
Oh, uwa.
What do you say?
Ito po.
You're welcome. Ang galing-galing mo.
Ask, what are your fondest memories?
Ay,
Wala.
pero, ikaw naman kung wala. Ikaw na nagbidesisyon. Okay. Fondest memories of when
College.
College. Madami. Every time that you and my mom and every time that you're beside me. It's really fun.
Kukunin sa patos.
Kasi yung sapatos mo, ninagis mo eh. Fondest memories whenever we are together in the house of your lola. You know? Yes.
Okay, with your daughter.
Well,
Pag-British lang. Sagutin mo.
yes, I'm okay. Come here beside me.
I-British mo, tapos British.
Talaga? Saan mo siya nag-aaral? Sa London.
Bridge.
Oh my God, it's falling down.
I-British mo, susunod.
Would you be kind enough to sit here beside me?
Did you hear that, my dear boy? Okay, never mind. You're done. Are you finished? Mommy will continue. Okay, Mommy will be the one to interview. Never mind.
Ano?
Next question, Quentin.
Me.
Yes, of course. As early as when you're inside the tummy of mom, I have memories of you.
Sino?
You!
Different arts and hobbies.
Like your mom, we started like playing bit roles for movies, for TV, so that we will earn money and we will have fun at night.
Okay?
Yes.
Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow, yes, you're right.
Every day is Perks Day.
Wow, you must be so fit. Are you fit?
Of course.
Do you swim every day?
No.
When do you swim?
Every Monday.
Every Monday, and you go to Perks every
Morning.
morning. So cute.
Okay, next question, Quentin. Quentin, focus.
We're electors.
Can you please read it properly and slowly? Who?
I have electors.
Favorite?
Electors.
Put down your hand. Who are your favorite
Directors.
director?
My favorite directors, a lot, because there are many good directors, and I'm blessed to have been directed by the national artist for theater, of course, Tony Mabesa. He's my most favorite director. Like your mom, because he's our mentor. But he's in heaven now.
Oh,
Director Tony Mabesa.
ikaw.
I'm still here. Thank God.
Next question, Quentin.
But happy.
When I see boys grow up like you.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so sad.
When I hear bad news about my friends, my family, my country, when I hear bad news, that's very sad.
Pagkaba ko,
Sobrang pogi.
sino?
Ikaw,
Ano?
pakis.
Bawal.
Bakit?
Are you shy?
Yes.
Are you shy?
I'll kiss you here.
Bawal.
Why?
Siya lang o siya lang?
Oh, sige na.
Siya.
I will kiss your mom.
Quentin, do not complicate. You say thank you.
Ano to?
Ano, okay? Thank you very much. Tapos ako na magkatapos ha?
No.
Okay, ikaw ba? Hindi na uge.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Rodrigo.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
It's a pleasure.
Okay.
Let's do this again.
When?
I don't know. It depends on you. Let's play table tennis again. Let's talk again. Okay?
When?
Anytime you like.
What can you give? This is a gift from you.
Oh, thank you. This is Q bag. I have a lot of Q bags. Thank you.
And this one also you give.
Oh, thank you.
Kasi you're leaving for Italy.
Yes, I love it.
Out of bahan pa, mahal ako church.
You're going to church. Who's going to church?
Ako.
Di ba siya nga nagsabi? Tapos tinanong ko pa. Sorry.
Okay.
Abay,
And
ano pa?
para sa things niya, oh.
Yay! My God! Paano mo nalaman kailangan ko ng ganito kalaking bag?
Kasi mahilig kasi malaki.
Oo. Kasi ginagamit- I use this for shooting.
Ang masusmodo pa nga ako eh.
Divine Mercy Outer Server.
Ah, yes. Nakikita ka ng family ko sa Divine Mercy. Thank you, Q Bags. Thank you, Q.
May question ka pa pala, tanong mo. You did ask.
Matagal pagdaminang.
Yes, matagal mo na akong ninang since birth.
Ang naman nga pala eh.
Matagal na pala.
Ang gusto ng birthday na pala
Since
eh.
birth.
Malapit na
Yun
to
lang,
birthday niya.
Opo.
Kailan ang birthday mo?
Pagkabas na pa ako.
Oh, ba't hindi ko alam, no? Eh, ninang mo nga ako. October 16, 21 years old ka na. Yes! Dinner?
Yeah.
What time do you eat dinner?
8 p.m. See?
Usually, kumakain na yun ng 6:30, 7.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
Bigurata.
What's your favorite gulay?
Kangkong.
Very good! What else?
Coyote.
Sayote. Me too. I like sayote.
Ako.
And then, what time do you wake up?
45.
Or 45. What do you do when you wake up so early?
I move the gas. Also, it's a lolo. Yeah.
And then,
As my dad's in the Randy.
and then where do you go?
Yeah, the box now.
In the perks. What time is the swimming?
Lania, 11.
How do you swim? Paano? Paano?
So let's play again.
When?
Because I'm going to Italy.
You know where Italy is?
Far.
What do you like from Italy? Pasalubong.
Food.
Food, yeah.
Do you know how to speak Spanish?
Hola, chica.
Do you know how to speak French?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno is Italian.
What's French?
Hello.
Do you know that your mom's voice is...
Very pangit.
Everything. Mas may tono naman ako compared sa'yo.
Minilo.
Oh, sige, ikaw na lang. Ikaw.
How's the Chinese song? Ano yung Chinese song niya?
Ow. Ay, mo. Nasusan mo fast-food. Kenara. Wala kamay mo. Bitches.
Oh, si Bee Gees. Okay, go.
Ah, sige.
Hadi bersalam, Israelam, hadi pejalam, hadi dinin salam. Cause we're living in a world of fools. Last Christmas, I gave her my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save you from tears, I give it to someone special. You say,